What is a Delaware HomeStyle Renovation Loan? So have you been looking for homes that searching, or you can't find the perfect home in Delaware and it doesn't fit your needs exactly? Some of the homes might need updating, renovating. Some of them don't even qualify because they need some repairs. Well, the Delaware HomeStyle Renovation Loan may be the perfect product for you. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, and welcome to another Mortgages Made Simple. So what we're going to do is talk about the ins and outs of the Fannie Mae HomeStyle Renovation Loan, because that could be a great option if you found a home that needs some updating, repairs, renovations, all of the above. It's a great loan option for you. So who should actually get or consider a Fannie Mae HomeStyle Renovation Loan for purchasing a home in Delaware? Well, you may be that there's another renovation loan called the FHA 203K Rehab Loan. But if you don't want an FHA loan and you want to get a conventional loan, this may be the best option for you. If you've got great credit, then the Fannie Mae HomeStyle may be a much better option over the 203K. And then also, depending on the renovations, there's renovations that the HomeStyle will allow that the 203K will not. So for example, finance luxury renovations that are not permitted under FHA guidelines, this is a reason to use the HomeStyle. Gain funding to cover housing costs during upgrades and constructions. You can do that during the renovation loan as well. You can also do that on FHA, but you're going to do it on the full version, not the limited. So the HomeStyle renovation loan, what does it include? Well, it includes costs of necessary upgrades and improvements built into the loan package. So you get all one loan. So you've got the price to buy it plus the cost to fix it up. You add those together. We give you one loan for that. Now you do have to put a minimum down payment down. So if you're buying it for your primary residence, that'd be 5% down. So we'll finance 95% the purchase price plus the renovations for you. All in one loan, and the renovations don't start till after you close on the property. And the other thing is the renovation loan is based on the after completed value, not the as-is value. So that's how we determine what you can finance. Now you would be restricted to the conventional loan limits on this product. So currently, as of 2018, in Newcastle County, Kent County, and Sussex County, that's $453,100 is your maximum conventional loan limit. And Fannie Mae does not offer a jumbo HomeStyle renovation loan, so you would be capped at those loan amounts. So what's the big difference between Fannie Mae HomeStyle and an FHA 203K? Great question. Both of them can be great loan programs, but the down payment is less on a FHA. You only need 3.5% of that purchase price plus your total renovations to put down. Or whereas on the conventional primary residence, you need 5%. So you do need a bigger down payment on the HomeStyle renovation loan than the 203K. But the credit qualification for the HomeStyle are stricter. Typically, they want a higher credit score and more perfect credit than on an FHA. So if you've got pretty banged up credit, you're going to be better off with the 203K loan. Now, the closing costs are typically higher on a 203K than a HomeStyle because the FHA loan does charge an upfront funding fee that you don't have to pay on a conventional loan, so your closing costs will be cheaper there. And then the other big difference is FHA can only be used for your primary residence. The Fannie Mae HomeStyle renovation loan you can use on your primary residence, you can use it for a second home, or you can use it for an investment property. And you can do that for purchase or refinance on both of the loan types, FHA or HomeStyle. It's just the HomeStyle gives you more flexibility for a second home or an investment property. So the key differences can also be on the limitations for the upgrades. For example, FHA has a limited version where you can only go up to $35,000 in upgrades. There's no cap on the upgrades for the HomeStyle renovation. It's going to be based off of not going over the maximum loan amount and the after repaired value. Now, the full version of the 203K doesn't have a cap, but you do need a HUD inspector involved in the process, so that is one difference. Now, what are the requirements that you need to meet to get a HomeStyle renovation loan? Well, it does not have to be your principal residence. It can be your principal residence, or it can be a second home or an investment property. But it cannot be a manufactured home. So no mobile homes, no manufactured home on the Fannie Mae HomeStyle renovation loan. And you cannot do sweat equity. You must use a contractor to do the work. They must be licensed and insured. And the lender, we approve the contractor. There is no Fannie Mae approved contractor list for renovation loans. The lender is responsible for approving the contractor, because they're the one that's on the hook if the contractor doesn't get the house done, because we're lending on the house and it's after completed value. So we're going to vet that contractor, licensed, insured, ask for references, background check, credit check, that kind of stuff. Same for the 203K loan. There is no FHA approved contractor list for 203K loans. The lender is required to approve the contractor. Now, what work does the renovation loan cover? Well, when it comes to renovation loans, it offers a generous range of costs and inclusions, including architecture and or design expenses, assessments for energy efficiency. So if you want to upgrade to energy efficient appliances, windows, that kind of stuff, you can put all that into the Fannie Mae HomeStyle Renovation Loan. Upgrades to engineering, interior designs are all included. Inspections, permit fees, all of that can be included in the renovation cost, in addition to the contractor's bid, which is obviously what you're doing the loan for. With all the ancillary costs, permits, that kind of stuff, you can include in the renovation loan. So there is no restrictions per se on upgrades you can do to the home. You can do luxury renovations, pool renovations, that kind of stuff. So the HomeStyle renovation loan is better than the 203K in terms of doing luxury renovations and that kind of stuff. And if you want to avoid mortgage insurance, if you want to put 20% down, you can still do that on the HomeStyle. It's just 20% of the purchase price plus the renovations. If you do that, you will not have mortgage insurance. Big difference. FHA 203K, you put 20% down, you still got the mortgage insurance. So if you're interested in trying to apply or have questions on a Fannie Mae HomeStyle renovation loan, we are certified renovation specialists on the John Thomas team. We would love to help you out. So give us a call in the office, 302-703-0727, or check us out online. You can start the process there as well, DelawareMortgageLoans.net. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next Mortgages Made Simple.